All right, small update on this guy. This is the albino lungfish that we got off of my friend. He's doing great. He is eating good. And we had to pull him out of the 750 because they were getting into it a little bit. And I didn't want that to lead to anything more serious. So I put him in this 135 just to heal up the little bit of wounds that he did have. And now I'm ready to put him back in his own tank. Now what that tank is going to be, I am not sure exactly off the top of my head. I've got a few that come to mind, but what I have to be careful of are these arms. I want to make sure no fish eats them off, because that is one thing that will not really grow back. I mean, it's possible a smaller little nub can start, but it'll take years for that to grow out. So you really want to protect these little arms on your lungfish. Makes them look so majestic, so beautiful. And this guy is just a showpiece, let me tell you. Look how awesome. Now compare it to these guys over here. They still look cool, but nowhere near as majestic as that albino. See what I'm talking about? This guy's arm was previously bitten off. It is growing back, but nowhere near as fast. So it's not really a sustainable way for them to regrow their limbs. See this one right here? That was bitten off, and you see that little tiny nub there, it's popping out. He's just going to start regrowing his arm, so I want to let him be as well. But you can just see the difference in them. These guys look cool, but that albino just looks so much more majestic. These guys come from Africa. You know, they are known as lungfish because they'll be over there in the mud. The dry season comes, they can come out of the water, and they will actually build a cocoon, and they will just, you know, protect that to themselves. They'll keep their body moisture in, and you know, come the rainy season, everything starts pouring down rain over there. It starts breaking down these guys' cocoons, and they come back to life. So that whole time they are cocooned over, they are feeding on their own body. So when they come out of that cocoon, they are very, very skinny, and they are looking for food. These guys, however, are not skinny whatsoever, and they are very, very cool. One thing you don't want to do is get your fingers caught by their mouth. They do have really, really big beaks inside of their mouths, and they can really mess you up.